Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the chart for the ticker and setting the time frame to match your plan. For short trades, choose 1M, 15M. For swing trades, choose daily. Next, switch to candlesticks so you can read wicks and bodies. Apply volume and add a 50 and 200 moving average as baseline trend filters. Once done, mark recent support and resistance zones with horizontal lines so you have visual anchors for the next analysis steps. You now identify the dominant trend by observing price relative to the 50 and 200 MA and confirming with swing highs and lows. Draw at least 2 clear trend lines connecting swing points to visualize momentum. Then scan the chart for reliable formations such as flags, triangles, or head-and shoulders and note their completion points. Make sure to check volume behavior during pattern formation. Rising volume on breakouts validates moves, while weak volume warns of false signals. You finalize a trade plan by choosing a precise entry trigger, a breakout candle, a pullback to trend line, or a specific indicator crossover. Then calculate position size based on a fixed risk percentage of your capital. Set a stop loss just beyond the nearest support or resistance and place profit targets using measured moves or a minimum 1 to 2 risk reward. If price stalls or volume contradicts the setup, cancel the trade. A key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.